Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Two more ships are expected to dock in Jamaica tomorrow as Jamaicans stranded abroad due to COVID-19 return home. The disclosure was made by Matthew Samuda, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security.
We do have a queue of vessels which are lined up to come to Jamaica to assist with the return of Jamaican ship workers. So, yes, we expect some of the vessels over the next, we expect two vessels over the next 24 hours. Once they come, we disembark using the same process where persons will be tested, and then they will go to the government quarantine until we can release them to home quarantine after the negative result.
In the meantime, all Jamaicans have disembarked from Royal Caribbean's Adventurers of the Seas, which arrived on Tuesday. Chairman of the Western Regional Health Authority, Errol Green, gave an update to our news center.
All 384 persons were left on the ship. The remaining passengers, they were processed and are settling in at the respective hotels. Process went through very smoothly. We put in additional personnel today, and by noon, everyone was off the ship by 11:30, and by noon, all were completely processed and sent off to the hotel.